Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. On this video, let's have that please donate passes creation on Roblox. For this one, you need to make sure you're going to be on your homepage, right? And look for creations on the left side. You're going to have this one. They're going to call it place depending on your username. It has your place, so please go inside it. And this is how it should look like. On the left side, look for the one they call monetization. And look for passes. And once in here, you have to create a new pass. Now, once you're in here, you can change your photo right there, name it, description, and the works. I'm going to name this one, please donate, something like that. And basically for this one, I'm going to name it, please donate one more time. I'm going to click on create pass right here, open up the application or the passes, and in here go to sales. And in there, I can enable the item for sale. I can add some Robux prices for that one and save changes. Click on proceed, and basically for this one, I have successfully updated it. So whenever I use this pass and they click on it, they can pay this amount, and basically it's a donation on my end. And that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye for now.